A policy of maximum tolerance is best served when there is safety in numbers. Thus, orders from the PNP chief to beef up security for one of the biggest political events and presidential speeches. And as our Ryan Lisigas reports, today's maximum tolerance enforcement for the SONA yielded over 50 arrests of rowdy, troublemaking, and law-breaking protesters.
Just hours before the State of the Nation address of President Ferdinand Marcos Jr., an improvised explosive device or IED exploded in the vicinity of the Department of Justice or DOJ. A few hours later, another IED was left near the Senate. The device was immediately disarmed by the PNP Explosive Ordnance Division. According to PNP Chief Police General Jose Melencio Nartates Jr., authorities are now investigating who is behind the placement of the IEDs.
Ang nilagay nga natin dito is red level 1 sa Metro Manila. Kaya nga tayo nakakakuha ng mga ganyang ebidensya. Of course, na-deny natin yung isa nag-explode. But the EOD is conducting investigation, pati yung ating investigator. Yung IED na to ay walang charge. O ibig sabihin wala siyang sharpness. Pang-terror lang, pantakot.
He said there is a strong possibility the IEDs are connected or were planted by the same group or individual.
Isa yan sa mga contingencies na ginawa natin. Merong bomb threat, merong actual bombing, and others. May shooting. Isa yun sa mga contingencies. That's why nakaka-recover tayo ng mga ganyan. Kanya nga lang, meron tayong, I think past midnight, last night, may nalusutan tayong may sumabog. But it is in front of the Department of Justice.
In the Commonwealth Avenue area, where various groups held protest actions, 51 individuals were arrested by the Quezon City Police District for various violations. This included vandalism and wearing baklava.
We have a reason to have a valid arrest, and they were accosted because of violations of ordinances and special laws. Particularly 9003, RA 9003, BP 880, and local ordinances. Lalo na yung magtatakip ng mukha, bawal naman magtatakip ng mukha. Lalo na yung nangyari noong September last year. Kita nyo naman, di ba? And ayaw natin payagan na sila pa ay magpatuloy na manggulo dyan sa kalsada. At maapektuhan, of course, yung tahimik na nagpoprotesta.
Despite these incidents, the PNP said the President's fifth SONA may still be considered peaceful overall.
We have a good preparation. Matagal na natin pinag-prepare. 1 year na nga ito, di ba? Do's and don'ts and what went well and what went wrong last year. Yun lang ini-implement natin.
The PNP has deployed around 28,000 police personnel to provide security for the President's SONA. The NCRPO has also been placed under full alert status. Ryan Lisigas for The Nation.